Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to your English language class. In yesterday's video, we discussed about the pronouns, what is a pronoun, what is the purpose of a pronoun, and we discussed one type, that is the personal pronouns. And in today's class, we are going to learn the other type, that is possessive pronoun. Now, what is possessive pronoun? Possessive pronoun, a word that simply shows to whom that object belongs to. Okay? It shows us the relation between the person and the object. Okay? To whom it belongs to. Now over here you can see that I've written few words which are used as possessive pronoun. Yours, his, hers, mine. Now you might be confused with how are we going to use it. So I'm going to write down an example, and with that example please try to understand. This is my pen. Now suppose in the exam you have been given a question, this is my pen. This is a sentence. Okay? This is the question given to you in your exam. Now if the examiner asks you to write this same statement using a possessive pronoun. Now what will be the possessive pronoun for mine? This is my pen. Using a possessive pronoun, my will change to mine. This pen is mine. This pen is mine. Now you have used a possessive pronoun. Now this sentence is correct. Next example we can see with yours. This is your book. This is your book. Now to write this same statement using a possessive pronoun, we will write it as this book is yours. This book is yours. Now what is the difference between your and yours? Your over here doesn't carry an S, but yours in a possessive pronoun it will have S at the end. Okay? So this is about the possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun are those which shows relationship between a person and the object. Okay? To whom it belongs to. Okay? Now the other type is the demonstrative pronoun. Now we are going to study about the demonstrative pronoun. So the other one is a demonstrative pronoun. What is a demonstrative pronoun? A demonstrative pronoun points out a noun to which it refers. Okay? Now we will discuss this statement, this definition later on. But first let's see what are the words that we use as demonstrative pronoun. The words that we use are this, that, these and those. These are the only 4 words that we use for a demonstrative pronoun. Now, what is the difference between this, that and these, those? This and that stands for singular. These and those, they stand for plural. Now when we have this stands for singular and plural form of this is these. Same way, that is singular and the plural form of that is those. One more point to understand. This we use when the object is close to us. This is my shirt. The object is close to me. And when do we use that? That is used when the object is far from me. Okay? That is my shirt. Okay? That is the thing that we have to understand. The singular form, the plural form, and what is the difference between this and that. Now coming back to the definition part, I said that demonstrative pronouns points out to a noun to which it refers. Now see the example that I have written over here. This is my book and that is yours. Now in this statement we have a noun that is book. Now the demonstrative pronoun that we have used in this statement are this and that. Okay? Now see the work the demonstrative pronoun is doing in this statement. This is my book. a noun, and the demonstrative pronoun is pointing out to the noun. Same way, we have two sentences over here, but these two sentences are joined with the conjunction and. Okay? Now that is yours. Which one is yours? That one. Which one is mine? This one. So a demonstrative pronoun is pointing out to a noun which it refers, and this is the verb of a demonstrative pronoun. This, that. Same way we can use these. These are my book and those are yours. Okay? Again the verb will be same. It will point out to a noun, and that is the purpose of using a demonstrative pronoun. It demonstrates about a noun. Okay? It shows us, it points us about a noun. Okay? So the other type that we are going to discuss is the interrogative pronoun. Now interrogative pronouns are those words which helps us ask a question. Now what all words are used in making a question or forming a question are mentioned over here. What, when, who, whom, why, where, whose. These all words are used to ask a question. And one more thing that we have to know is that whenever we frame a question, it will always end with a question mark. And if you don't put a question mark, that won't be counted as a question. Okay, that is grammatically wrong. The punctuations are not present, so it can be marked wrong. So we have to take care that whenever you ask a question, please put a question mark at the end of the sentence. Now these pronouns, these are pronouns which are used to ask questions. You can see that each and every word that I have used, they are starting with the letters WH. Although there are many more words like how, whose, did, do, have, each and every words can be used. Few words which are not mentioned over here, we will study about it later on in the next classes. Those can also be used to ask questions. Have you been to Canada? Do you like ice cream? Like these, we have more words that can be used to ask questions. Helping verb, they might be helping verbs. Helping verbs are also used to ask questions. But the words, we are talking about the pronouns. The pronouns which are asked, which are used to ask questions, are mentioned over here. What, when, who, whom, why, where. What is your name? When are you coming back? Who gave you this? Whom are you talking to? Why are you leaving the house? Where is your pen? These all are examples, these all are pronouns which we are using to ask question. So that's all for today. If you have any problem regarding these three pronouns, you can ask me on my WhatsApp, or we will discuss that in our live class. So go through the video, do your homework which is posted on your WhatsApp, and then if you have any problem, we shall discuss it in our online Zoom class. Thank you.